How to download and install Football Manager 2023 on PC or laptop. In order to download and install Football Manager 2023 on PC, you have to follow the steps. In order to access the game, you have to install Steam. So for that, open up a browser. On the web address bar, go ahead and type in steampower.com. It's going to take you to the official page. So right on this page, you have to go ahead and press the install button, and you need to run the installation program and install Steam. When you're done installing Steam, you have to go ahead and create your account. When you're done creating your account, then log in and head over to store section. While you're on the store section, it's going to take you to this page. Here on the search box, go ahead and type in the game that you're looking for. That is Football Manager 2023. Go ahead and type in that. When you locate the following game, you have to go ahead and press on it, and if you are sure about the game, then go ahead and open it up. It's going to open up the detail info page or all of these, and here go ahead and press on add to cart. Now proceed on with the checkout method, and just enter in your payment details and all that, and you'll have successfully bought the game, and you would go ahead and download and install and create your account and play the games. So that's how you can download and install Football Manager 2023 on PC or laptop. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.